National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for central Brevard County in Florida. This includes the cities of Rockledge, Port Canaveral, Merritt Island, Cocoa Beach, Cape Canaveral, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Cape Canaveral, moving east at 55 miles per hour. The tornado will otherwise remain over mainly rural areas of the indicated county. Within mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a sturdy shelter. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Take cover now. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place.